Hello viewers, in this video we're going to solve the question for x. We are given that sine theta is equal to 5 over 6 plus x, and we are equally given that tan theta equals 5 over 12. Now from the instruction, our x must be less than 90 degrees but greater than 0. In order to solve this question, the first thing I am going to do, let's bring out what is provided in the question again. We are given that sine theta is equal to 5 over 6 plus x. We are equally given that tan theta is equal to 5 over 12. Now let's remember our SOHCAHTOA acronym. Let's remember our SOHCAHTOA acronym, where sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, and cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse, while tan theta is opposite over adjacent. So if we are given that sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse, it follows that the opposite is 5 and the hypotenuse is 6 plus x. If we are given that tan theta is 5 over 12, that means that the opposite is equal to 5 and the adjacent is equal to 12. So now let's draw a right angle triangle and slot in these values. Let this be the right angle triangle, and then let our angle be here. If our angle is here, it follows that this is going to be the opposite, this is going to be the hypotenuse, and this is going to be the adjacent. This is going to be the adjacent. So bringing in the values given in the question, we are told that the opposite is equal to 5. So we are putting our opposite here as 5. And we are told that the hypotenuse is 6 plus x. We are putting that here. Then we are also told that the adjacent is equal to 12. We are slotting that here. Now let's use our Pythagoras to find the value of x. From our Pythagoras theorem, we know that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the opposite and that of the adjacent. Our hypotenuse is 6 plus x. Bringing that in here, we have 6 plus x, which is going to be squared. Our adjacent is 12. Slotting that in here, it is going to be squared. And our opposite is equal to 5. So 5 too will also be squared. From the right hand side, 12 square is 144. 5 square is 25. Now when we add both together, we are going to have 169 by this side. Bringing down our 6 plus x all squared, this is equal to 169. The next thing we're going to do here is to get rid of this power 2. In order to get rid of square, you have to find the square root of both sides. Find the square root of both sides in order to get rid of the square. So now the square root cancels this square. 6 plus x is going to be left. The square root of 169 will be taken as 13. We are going to ignore the negative value, knowing fully well that square root of 169 is plus or minus 13. We are going to ignore the negative 13 because our x cannot be negative from the original question. So the square root of 169 will be taken as 13, and x will be equal to 13 minus 6, which will give 7. So the value for our x is equal to 7. So looking at the instruction, our 7, which is the answer, is less than 90 and also greater than 0. So the solution to the question is x equals 7. Thank you for viewing. For more exciting videos, kindly subscribe to my page and my channel.